at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Is this table free?
Yes, please have a seat. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. It looks very nice in here.
Thank you. Here is your menu. Take your time to look.
Thanks. There are so many choices. What do you recommend today?
Our chicken burger is very popular. Many customers order it.
That sounds good. Is the chicken grilled or fried?
It is grilled. Very healthy and delicious.
Perfect. I will have the chicken burger, please.
Great choice. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. I love fries.
And what would you like to drink?
I will have a Coke, please.
Sure. Would you like it in a small, medium, or large size?
Large, please. I am very thirsty today.
No problem. Would you like any sauces or extras with your meal?
Yes, can I get ketchup and mayonnaise, please?
Absolutely. Anything else?
Actually, do you have any salads?
Yes, we have a fresh garden salad. Would you like to add it?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Okay, so that is 1 chicken burger, large fries, a garden salad, and a large Coke with ketchup and mayo.
That is correct.
Would you like a dessert after your meal? We have ice cream and chocolate cake.
Maybe later. I will see how I feel after eating.
Of course.
How long will the food take?
About 10 to 15 minutes. I will bring it to your table.
Great. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your meal. Immigration at the airport. Good morning. Welcome to our country. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me have a look. So, you are from Canada?
Yes, that is right. I live in Toronto.
Nice city. What is the purpose of your visit today?
I am here for a vacation. I want to see the famous places here.
That sounds wonderful. How long will you stay in the country?
About 2 weeks. 14 days, exactly.
I see. And where will you be staying during your visit?
I will stay at the City View Hotel. It is near downtown.
Good choice. That is a nice area. Do you have the hotel address?
Yes, it is 45 Main Street.
Perfect. Do you have a return ticket booked?
Yes, I do. My return flight is on the 15th of this month.
Great. That matches your 2-week stay. Have you visited this country before?
No, this is my first time. I am very excited.
I hope you enjoy it here. Do you have any food or restricted items with you?
No, nothing like that. Just clothes and personal things.
Are you carrying more than $10,000 in cash?
No, I have about $500 and my credit cards.
All right. Everything looks fine. I will stamp your passport now.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Here is your passport back. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Welcome to our country. Taking a taxi to the airport. Hello. Are you free? I need a taxi.
Yes, I am free. Please get in.
Thank you so much.
Where would you like to go today?
Can you take me to the airport, please?
Sure, no problem. Which terminal do you need?
Terminal 2, please, for international flights.
Got it. Do you have any luggage with you?
Yes, I have 1 big suitcase and a small bag.
No problem. Let me help you. I will put the suitcase in the trunk.
That is very kind of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, all set. Let us go.
How long will it take to reach the airport?
About 30 minutes, depending on traffic. Sometimes longer during rush hour.
Okay, that should be fine. My flight is in 3 hours.
Oh, you have plenty of time then. Do you prefer the highway or the city road?
Please take the fastest way. I do not want to be late.
All right, I will use the highway. It is faster at this time of day.
Thank you. How much will the trip cost?
It should be around $25 to $30.
Okay, that sounds reasonable. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, I accept cash and cards. Both are fine.
Great. Let us go then.
Please fasten your seatbelt for safety.
Sure. Thank you for reminding me.
No problem. Are you traveling for work or vacation?
For work. I have a business meeting tomorrow.
I hope your trip goes well.
Thank you. That is very kind. Waiting at the bus stop. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for downtown?
Yes, this is the right stop. You are in the correct place.
Oh, great. I was worried I was waiting at the wrong stop.
No, you are fine. I take this bus every day.
That is helpful. Do you know when the next bus comes?
I think it comes in about 10 minutes, maybe a little less.
Oh, that is not too long. Is it bus number 25?
Yes, bus 25 goes directly to downtown.
Perfect. That is exactly where I need to go.
Where in downtown are you going?
I am going to the shopping mall and also to meet a friend for lunch.
Nice. The mall is very close to the bus stop downtown.
That is good to know. Is the bus usually on time?
Most of the time it is, but sometimes it is a few minutes late because of traffic.
Oh, I see. That is normal for buses, I guess.
Yes, especially during busy hours in the morning and evening.
How much is the bus fare?
It is $2.50 for one ride.
Do I need exact change? I only have a $10 bill.
Yes, you need exact change, or you can use a bus card.
Oh no, I do not have a bus card.
There is a small shop over there. You can get change.
Thank you so much for your help. You are very kind.
You are welcome. Oh, look, the bus is coming now.
Great timing. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a nice day downtown.
Visiting the doctor. Good morning. Please come in and have a seat.
Good morning, doctor. Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
Not very well, I'm afraid. I feel quite sick.
I am sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a bad headache, and my throat is very sore.
I see. That does not sound pleasant. How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days now. It started on Monday.
Okay. Has it been getting worse or staying the same?
It is getting a little worse each day.
Do you have a fever as well?
Yes, a little. Mostly at night when I try to sleep.
Have you been able to eat normally?
Not really. My throat hurts when I swallow food.
That is common with a sore throat. Are you taking any medicine right now?
Just some painkillers, but they do not help very much.
I understand. Let me check your throat. Please open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Yes, your throat is quite red. You have an infection.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, it is not too serious, but you need proper medicine and rest.
That is a relief. What medicine do I need?
I will give you antibiotics and something for the fever.
How many days should I rest at home?
At least 3 to 5 days. Drink plenty of warm fluids like tea and soup.
Okay, I will do that. Thank you, doctor.
Take the medicine on time, and you will feel better soon. Getting medicine at the pharmacy.